You are using MidJourney. Without this tool, you are not going beyond it. In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can generate some awesome images. Here, I found some beautiful images people have generated. This tool can take your MidJourney to the next level. So, this is the tool I was talking about. This is MidJourney Prompt Helper. If you need the help to generate prompt, you can use it. So, this is prompt.noonshot.com. So here we can generate prompt. So this is the main idea. So and this is the prompt that it generated. We will copy the prompt and go to the newbie server, paste here, and let's see how it goes. And this is the prompt that we enter, and it has generated our prompt. So this is our main image. So now go back to the prompt tool. So here we can see that we have a lot more about our prompt, that we can change the styles, lighting, camera, artist, colors. So we can stylize the prompt. So here we change the style of it. So here we have a lot of styles: carbon fiber, black hole, 4-bit, 8-bit, 1800, 1980s. So we will use 1980, and so it has generated that image prompt: an eagle on the top of a building in the abandoned city, 1980s. This is the style it is generated. And we can add more about lighting. So build backlight as accent light. We have a lot of light effects. So here we go with the lava glow. So it has generated a prompt. So copy the prompt, go to the Discord server. This is here is our main picture. So just paste it out and enter. Woohoo! So here is the result we can find. Oh, we have got the perfect result, that it has a little bit a lava glow and more about 1980 effect. So we will go to the prompt tool again, and we can change something else. So here's the colors we can take. So we have colors here. So we will choose RGB colors, or no, neon red color. Neon red color. And here is the size, camera, artist. We can use the effect of artist as well. So here is the a lot of effects you can use. So William D. Koenig. So this is the effect I will use for it. So and we can use the size. You can change the size, aspect ratio. Here is require vertical, standard, wherever you want. And what about material? We have another style, that material we can use: cotton, fabric, gasoline. So we will not use it. You can take depth of field, deep or shallow. So quality you can change. We will use default. So in the more detail it will go heavy. So here is the uh, our prompt. Imagine prompt: an eagle on the top of the building in the abandoned city, 1980s, lava glow, 1 William T. Koenig, neon red color. So and we can exclude something if you don't want that, if you don't want something in your picture. So we will use tree. So it has no trees in our picture. So no tree here. Copy the prompt. Okay, go to the that was our last picture. So again, just paste the prompt and go. So here is a result. So this is the result. We use a prompt. So it is something that we not wanted. So we can change some things about the artist that so we are not gonna use artist, and color was about CMYK, and if we will from the right color we use CMYK, and aspect ratio and lighting. For the lighting, we'll go through the lava glow. So here our prompt. Imagine prompt an eagle on top of the building in the abandoned city. 1980s lava glow CMYK. So we just copy the prompt and with the go with this prompt. So here we have another result, that this is our final result. So from this matter, from this process, you can use a lot of prompts. You can generate your own prompt, and you can generate more pictures, and it will definitely go awesome when you do. So now goodbye for now. We will see you in the next video.